If you have used portable hotspot in your phone at least once, then definitely you should watch this entire video. So basically, why do we use portable hotspots? We use it to share the internet. So usually people use portable hotspots when they want to share the internet to other devices. Say you have a laptop or you have some other phone in which you want internet, or sometimes when you are out of internet or mobile data, you might use a portable hotspot of your friends or family members. It's totally fine. But what happened is recently work from home has increased, as well as online classes are everywhere. And because these online classes are happening on laptops, people do tend to turn on the mobile hotspot and connect their laptop and leave it the entire day. So from morning 9 to evening 9, they keep this mobile hotspot on. And actually, if you are a person who does the same thing, then it's going to lead into a bigger problem. So for understanding what is a problem that you might end up, first you have to know how this thing works. So usually in your mobile there are two chipsets. One is for your Wi-Fi, that is a Wi-Fi chipset, and second is for your cellular or the modem chipset. So what is this modem chipset doing? Modem chipset is actually connecting your phone with a nearby cellular network. So suppose you are using Jio or Airtel or some other operator, then it will connect to the nearest tower of the cell provider. Now what is this doing? When you turn on the mobile data, the cellular modem connects your phone with the cell provider or the internet service provider, and it gives you internet. On the other hand, if you look at the Wi-Fi modem, what is Wi-Fi modem doing? Wi-Fi modem is basically getting you connected to the nearest Wi-Fi router, and through that you can do the internet transmissions. So basically these are the two different modems that is there, or two different chipsets that is there in your phone. Now let's take a look at what happens when you turn on the mobile hotspot. When you turn on mobile hotspot, actually your phone's cellular modem as well as your Wi-Fi modem, both of them is active. But one thing that you might have noticed while using this mobile hotspot is your phone's battery is draining pretty quickly and your phone is also getting heated. So why is this happening? So in order to understand that, actually Uncenix has did a study on this. So what this Uncenix report says is that this is a distribution of power which is consumed by different components inside your smartphone, out of which you can see the most power is consumed by your screen. After that, second most power consumed is by your cellular modem. And in this graph, you can see a comparison between what will happen when you are using just the mobile data or when you are using just the Wi-Fi. So let's take a look at the first graph. So in this graph, we are using just the mobile data. In this case, can you see the GSM or the mobile modem, cellular modem that is using the maximum power? You can see the Wi-Fi power consumption is very low. Now when you turn on Wi-Fi, at this time what is happening is power consumption reduces but not significantly. Rather, you can see the Wi-Fi modem power is also increasing. Now this is a case of when you are using just the Wi-Fi network. Now just think what will happen. So during the mobile hotspot, both your cellular modem as well as your Wi-Fi modem are working. At this case, you can see that the power consumption will rapidly shoot. So now when you are doing this the entire day, your phone is actually heating up very much and your battery is getting consumed rapidly. And this can actually ruin your battery's lifespan. That means if your battery is 10 to last 3 years, if you are doing this thing continuously, then your battery might not even last for 3 years. It can even die within 2 years. So as per the studies, it is said that when you continuously turn on mobile hotspot, almost 25% of your battery's lifespan is reduced. Now you might be thinking this is absolutely fine because I am not using it without charging. I'm simply plugging in my phone whole time, so nothing is going to happen to me. If this is what you are thinking, then you are extremely wrong. So when you plug in your phone, what is happening? Your phone's battery is getting charged. Meanwhile, your modem is on, your Wi-Fi modem as well as cellular modem is turned on, and your phone is charging. So heat is coming from those two modems, heat is coming from this charging, as well as when a particular device is connected to your phone. Now your phone has to manage the Wi-Fi connection, so it has to get the request from the receiver device, it has to get the request as well as send the request. So the processor is also very busy. In the end, your phone is actually heating up very much that your battery is having a hell lot of a time. Now you can debate with me telling that whatever things I just told is totally wrong because Android itself is giving you this portable Wi-Fi hotspot as an option, so why can't we use it? Now if this is the case, then again I am telling Android is giving you this portable Wi-Fi hotspot as a feature. That means this is not supposed to be used 24/7. This is just a feature that you can use in case you are in an emergency or in case you are desperate that you need to provide internet to someone. At that time you can use this as a feature. So when you are turning this on 24/7 every day, that means you are actually misusing that feature. In return, you are going to ruin your battery life. So next time if you are sharing your mobile hotspot with your friends, then do keep in mind that if you are doing this for a long time, you might end up losing your battery backup. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos. Until next time, bye bye.